What's up, you guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make some fire salmon using just an air fryer, bro. It's gonna be super easy, super delicious, and super quick. If y'all ready for that, make sure y'all leave a like, comment down below. But other than that, let's go. All right, you guys, so we are here. We are going to start off with a fresh salmon just like that. Look how gorgeous and beautiful she is, and that's what we're going to use to air fry this thing. All measurements used in this video will be in the description box below, but first we're going to fillet our salmon. I got the salmon with the skin on because I think that's the best type of salmon to eat it with the skin on, but I'm going to use 2 of those, and I'm going to get 5 different seasonings. So what you're going to need is a teaspoon of some lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, then we're going to take half a teaspoon of some garlic salt, some chili flakes, and then these 2 seasonings. You don't have to use those, but trust me, you are going to love these seasonings, so I suggest you try it. As you can see, your boy does not play around when it comes to the seasoning. So we're going to take our salmon and we're going to add some olive oil on top. So when we add them seasonings, it's going to steak better. So give your meat a good old rub and add them seasonings on top. Make sure you get the sides, the top, and every nook and cranny. Like I said, we are not playing around. It should look heavily seasoned just like that. Now you need some vegetables, some greens. You need some greens on your plate, child. So we're gonna be getting some asparagus. I love asparagus, it's so good. And we could have added some mashed potatoes, but I don't know if I can air fry that. So I added some olive oil. I added the same seasonings that I added to my salmon besides the chili flakes. But if you want to add chili flakes and give them more spice, do that. You're welcome to. Now we're gonna mix it all up until it looks like that, and yeah, that's it. So we're gonna pull out our air fryer. Look at this baby. I love this thing to death. I use it almost every day, and if you don't have one, you need to go to the store right now and purchase you one. So we're gonna add some foil at the bottom so we can have like a little border on the side too, so nothing spills. Add a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna add our asparagus, and we're gonna add in our salmon. We are not wasting any time. I don't have time to cook one at a time. We're gonna all do it at the same time. So we're gonna garnish with some garlic. I added a lot of garlic because your boy likes a lot of garlic. Don't judge me. Next, we're gonna add some lemon. I think lemon and salmon go hand in hand. It's like bread and butter going hand in hand. So you always gotta add some lemon. Then we're gonna add in some butter. I added 3 tablespoons of butter. I tried to cube it up like this, but it was too warm and I should have froze it. But we all good, we got it settled. After we do that, we're gonna go back to the air fryer. We're gonna add some dill and some rosemary. So first I added my rosemary and my dill just to give it some more herbal flavor. Then I add some garlic on top with some butter too. And bro, that is all she wrote. That is all you need to make some bomb salmon. And don't forget them lemon slices. And that's it. We're gonna put it in our air fryer and let that thing go. So we're gonna let our air fryer go at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for a total of 8 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes is a perfect range, and we just gonna let that go. While y'all are waiting, make sure y'all like, comment down below, and watch the kids' other videos. Trust me, y'all gonna love it. Also, while you're waiting, we're gonna top our salmon off with this delicious like chimichurri type thing. So what I added was a little bit of olive oil, some cilantro, garlic, and some red chili flakes, and also add a little bit of some lemon if you feeling zesty. 4 minutes in, and our salmon and our asparagus are looking very nice, but we're gonna top it off with our chimichurri sauce. And then after we do that, we're gonna put it back in for the remainder of time and just let that cook. 8 minutes are up, and oh my boy really tried to sing, but oh my gosh, look at that salmon and asparagus. It looks so good. If y'all don't think so, then y'all tripping. I don't know what y'all smoking, but we just gonna plate it, make everything look nice. And when I tell y'all, it is so simple to make salmon and asparagus that this is honestly a 1-pot recipe, because all you got is the air fryer and all your other stuff. But that is it. That is how you make salmon and asparagus. Super tender, got a little crunchiness on the salmon on the outside, as you can see, and that is how y'all do it. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all leave a like, comment down below, share with all your friends, your girlfriends, your boyfriends, whatever, and show them that you can make delicious and healthy recipes straight from your air fryer, bro, and you don't have to worry about a pot and a pan. But other than that, I'm out.